This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the speaker and the app, so start by plugging the Google Home into power and watching for the white pulsing light. Once lit, open the Google Home app and sign in with the same Google account you use for services. This links your preferences and devices. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network you'll use for the speaker, because the app must discover the device right away. If the app prompts for permissions, allow them so discovery and pairing work smoothly. Once the Home app detects the speaker, follow the setup flow to assign a room and a clear name so you can address it naturally. Next, link your music and streaming accounts in settings so you can say, "Play jazz on Spotify," and get immediate results. Make sure to enable voice match and personal results so the speaker recognizes you and serves calendar, reminders, and commute info securely. If you plan routines, now's the time to create them. It automates repeated tasks. To finish, run a quick suite of tests. Adjust volume by voice, set a timer, ask for weather, and play a song to confirm account linking. If responses are slow or features fail, check for a firmware update in the device settings and restart the speaker. This often clears glitches. If things still go wrong, try a factory reset and rerun setup. Also verify your router's quality of service and 4/5 GHz settings, because network issues are the most common cause of persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.